As promised, and with complete transparency, I'm going to show you every single dividend I got paid in October that got me up to that £305 in the month. It's the biggest amount I've had so far. It's starting to work, it's starting to happen, and things are starting to snowball. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content, and like the video if you don't mind. That's of course if you like the content. If you don't bother. But if you do like the content, you like what I'm sharing and what I'm all about, then like the video, really helps the channel out. And yeah, in today's video, we're going to go through all the dividends that I got paid in October that got me up to £305 for the month, which is the most I've ever had by a long shot. And it's kind of quite nice because it's just starting to show me and you that things are starting to snowball, and the more that goes into the portfolio, the more I get paid, the more I can then put back into the portfolio, and it goes from there. It's called compound interest. You may be aware of it. I'm going to go through all of that in IG, which is my preferred broker, which if you haven't seen any of my old videos, just to let you know, IG is my preferred broker rather than Trading 212 or Free Trade. We're going to go straight into there, and I'll give you payment by payment, everything I earned in October, and why not show you what I've earned in November so far as well. Right, so here we are, straight into the portfolio, all in price orders. Again, we're going to go into the history and go through all the dividends for October, which we can customize in the history section here of IG. Just so you know, account value is currently sitting at 73,116, which is a bit more than last week's video, I think, maybe, don't know. So what we want to do for this is go into history, go into full history, view full history, and it'll give you some options, some drop down bits and pieces, and you want to go custom period at the bottom there, and we're going to select from the 1st of October to the 31st of October, set, and gives you the time frame there, and we're literally just going to go straight to the bottom there, dividend, show history. Simple as that. Right, again, annoyingly, so frustrating. So again, annoyingly, I've picked up on this before, but we have to just scroll over slightly to get the amounts that are being paid across there, and then you can't see the date. But effectively, if I go onto page 2, we'll start from the very beginning, from the 1st, 3rd, 4th, 6th, 12th, 12th, 13th, 14th. And then the next page, we have 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 18, 28, 29, 29. So that gives you a breakdown of when the payments came in. But let's go through the amounts. That's the most important thing for you guys to see. I think I've got this right with 305. I'll probably add it up afterwards. It probably won't be. I'm sure it's over 300. Some of you are probably likely to add it up as we go along, no doubt. And then you can pop in the comments below whether I was right or not. So, starting from the beginning, from the 1st, we have HSBC paid me nearly £20. PIMCO paid me nearly £20. That's a monthly payer, so that's consistently every single month. Ayers Capital Corporation got a reasonable amount in that, big yield, paid me £24. Vanguard here, the index fund, paid me £21. Iron Mountain paid me nearly 20 or nearly 19, 1888. Ultra Group, big yield for Ultra Group, that paid me £26. AGNC, again, monthly payer. Gonna put a bit more into AGNC, I think. Maybe we can get that up to the £20 that PIMCO paid me on a monthly basis. But AGNC is also a monthly payer, £16.32. Global X Super Dividend REIT, that was £6.84, again a monthly payer. Ventus came in with a cheeky 10 quid, £9.72. Then we start with 2 at the bottom here from Ayers Commercial Real Estate Corporation. Don't know why we've got 2. One's at 0.02 and one's at 0.33. That's the dividend. Don't know what that is. Haven't looked into it. Can't be bothered. Doesn't matter. It's going into my account and I'm getting paid it. Do not worry yourself with things that are out of your control. Royalty income, monthly payer, £5.52. Again, I'd like to just keep paying into that and get that up. It's only a 4%, around a 4% yield at the moment. I'm looking at higher dividend yields at the moment, but still a fantastic monthly payer REIT to be getting into. Leggett & Platt paid me £2.59. Store Capital Corporation paid me £5.29. Federal Royalty Investment Trust paid me £7.24. Apple Hospitality REIT paid me £1.26. Chimera Investment Corp paid me £18.66. Oxford Lane Capital Corporation paid me £4.15. And Annalee Capital Management paid me £6.77. Right, so the more observant of you would notice that it actually came to around £233, not 305. But one extra thing happened in October, and I'll quickly run through what it was. So I'm going to go in here, I'm going to go all instead, and I'm going to change the custom period, literally 13th and 14th, because I know that's exactly when it happened, and show the history. We've got dividends either side. We got paid, or I got paid, £72.80 from EasyJet, and it was a rights deadline, something, and effectively it was 26, the volume of 26 shares at 280 pence, which is how the UK market is run, and so £2.80. And I've had a look at why this has happened. I don't know whether it was a special dividend or what it was. Effectively, I've still owned 40 shares in EasyJet as I did before, so I haven't sold out of any. I still hold as many as I did before, but the account was credited £72.80. Now, with that involved, I've not had to work for that. It's not necessarily a dividend as we all know it, but it will be just a special dividend. Effectively, it's crediting my account, and I'm taking that as a dividend of some description. So that's why I've added it into this. It brings us up to a total of £305 and something. But if I go into it just quickly here, again, if you've seen any of my old videos, you'll know this is how I record my dividends, which is the simplest way of doing it you could possibly imagine. £305.71 right there is what we earned in October. And you can also see that so far in November, on the 22nd, I've earned £128.32. Would love to see that get up to kind of 150, 160 if possible. And this just illustrates exactly which way the portfolio is going. And the more I invest and the more I reinvest the dividends, the quicker this will increase and keep going up and up and up. But you know all that anyway. So as promised, £305 for October with that special dividend. I'm going to call it a special dividend, the deposit from EasyJet, which was a lovely little Brucey bonus. Without that, it still would have been 233, just shy of £233 for October, which still would have been the best month I've ever had. So just helped it nudge the figures just that little bit higher for October, which is really nice to see. So we're getting close to that, averaging £200 a month. And if we look at January to November so far, we've averaged 172, and that doesn't include the reallocation of a lot of funds I've had more recently. So that would be 180, 185, maybe even 190. I think quite happily really next year, or at least that, and we'll be creeping up and over that £200 average next year for sure. Anyway, super boring video. Just wanted to go through each dividend individually, and again, just give a complete transparent look at dividend investing, what you can get from the portfolio, and just keep you guys fully up to date and fully versed on how things are going. So I'll kick you back out there. That's it for today, guys, and I'm going to keep it super short in the outro yet again, because it was probably a bit of a waffly video. Hopefully you enjoyed what I had to show you there. Hopefully that gives you an idea as to which way the portfolio is going in terms of it's snowballing, and I'm starting to get more and more money from dividends, and that will just continue. If you did enjoy going through my portfolio and seeing what I own in October, give the video a like, drop it a like, that really helps the channel, and subscribe for more content in the future. Pop a comment down below as well, let me know what you earn in October and November and how your portfolio is looking, what you're getting on a monthly basis. It'd be great to hear from you guys, and I'll reply to as many comments as I possibly can, or if you have any random questions about the portfolio or investing as a whole. And I'll wrap that up there. I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you later.